Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted files in your Android device as you have deleted that by mistake or accidentally and you need to recover them. So what you need to do, okay, watch the video till the end and you will learn how to recover deleted files on your Android device. So first of all, if you are not a subscriber of our channel, to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more and other updates. And so welcome to our channel, to Windows Collection. You are watching our interesting channel technical videos, so watch the video till the end. So let's get started. But you remember one thing, that the application is need to be installed in your phone previously, as if you download the application after deleting the photo, if you download this application, it will not work. It will not work for the previous photo that you've deleted while you have not installed this application in your phone. As if you need to recover a photo, you need to be installed this application in your phone previously, and after that if you delete any photo, that will be stored in your application and you can break the photo. So install it on your phone and never worry, don't worry, the photo will deleted by accident or you deleted the photo from you, it will be safely kept in your phone in your application. So let's get started. Hello friends, so first you need to connect it to a Wi-Fi or you need a planned of data connection. So open the Play Store and type here Recycle Master. So here you can see the first application named Recycle Master Recycle Bin File Recovery. I have installed it previously, so you need to install it in your phone. And if you need, I will keep the description. In the description you will find the link of the application in the YouTube video, so you can go here to directly, or you can search in the Play Store for the application. So install it in a phone, and after installing you need to go to the application and open it. Here you can see Recycle Master Add and the trustworthy file recycle bin. It says from now on you'll never lose a file again. Okay, show me how. It says oops, a photo is deleted by accident. Don't worry, your photo has been safely kept in the Recycle Master when you delete it, and whenever you want you easily recover your photos. Okay, so it says to have a try, so I'm gonna have a try. Okay, now the one photo will be generated in your phone automatically, and that photo will be, you see here, the sample picture. So I'm gonna delete it. You see here I deleted the photo, just delete this photo from this album and up in my cloud, and I'm gonna delete it, and the photo has been deleted. You see here the photo is no more. So I'm gonna back, you see here the recent removed, and the recent removed panel will show you the photo you have just deleted previously, and you can see here the picture, sample picture from the Recycle Master. You can see the location and the type, and the size is 96.5 kilobytes. Removed it, I just removed this previously. So you can see here the picture, and you can restore the picture from here. So I tap the recover option, and now I'm gonna make gallery. You see here the picture. Okay, and the picture is, I got back the picture. Okay, see the picture and the details. So I'm gonna show you with the different picture and the different example. So okay, now, and you see here I just deleted the photo. You see here the nature picture, so I'm gonna delete this photo. You see here I just deleted the photo. The photo is no more. Okay, you see here the photo is no more. And when you install the application in your phone, you just go to the Recycle Master and open it. You see here the recent removed. I just removed the photo. I just deleted the photo from my phone, and the photo is appeared to the recycle master. You see here the 5.1 MB megabytes, and just now I have deleted it. You see here the picture, and you can recover it from any time when you install this application from your phone. So I'm gonna open my gallery and show you the photo. You see here the photo I got back. I just deleted the photo previously and I got back the feature. So you learn. Now you can restore any picture from your phone while you download this application. Okay, and if you like this video, please share with your friends and like this video. If you are a new viewer in our channel, to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so never miss an updates. So bye bye and take care. Love you all.